Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. Got a pair of CP engines. The one on the right is a GP38-2 Proto 2000. Front and rear ditch lights. Bell moved to the correct location. Front and rear pilot plows. And the horn moved to the correct location. Sinclair antenna. Winterization hatch. Pretty much the works on that one. And the one in the foreground is an Atlas GP40 4616. That one has a new bigger plow on it, front and rear ditch lights, horn moved to the correct locations, Sinclair antennas on the roof, and all-weather window on the engineer side. Okay, and right, so this one's set up that the horn doesn't flash on the GP40. The front and rear ditch lights operate independently from one another on off F5 and F6. Okay, all right. I have my different tracks because I don't know what speeds they're going to run at. And amazingly, they run together pretty closely. These are for two different clients as well. And obviously the GP38 has a non-turbo and the GP40 has a regular 645 turbo. And there you can see that one operates and this one operates off of F6. So you may not be able to see the ditch lights. I'm going to move this over, and of course from that angle you can't really see them anyhow, so we'll move it out to this angle. Maybe I should manually pull this engine backwards a little bit. There you go. Just so this guy sees that his engine, actually the ditch lights work. And the old pilot plows were the miniature by Eric ones. They were extremely difficult to work with. Bowser, because they came out with the because Bowser came out with the C630s. They created a plastic pilot plow, and they're much easier to work with and apply to models. And so the Proto 2000 GP38-2 has the Bowser Cal Scale pilot plows. So that's basically it. I mean, you know, and that's the two Conrails and these two units. That was 4 front and rear ditch lights with sound installs. You know, just a lot of work to get all that together, but it's done. So, all right, thanks for watching. Bye.